Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. Trust you had an amazing weekend. It is Manic Monday, November 10th, 2025. Here's the daily frame with 2 minutes to go until the New York Open. You can see that we have lovely up days here, guys, with bullish bodies on the NASDAQ and the S&P and the Dow. In fact, the NASDAQ made it back above the 21 and the 9 EMA momentarily here overnight, and the S&P is above the 9 and 21, and so is mostly the Dow. And so this bull market is still very much intact from a structural standpoint. We've had a pretty normal pullback here, guys, in a rampaging bull market, and as long as those EMAs stay stacked with the 200 below the 100 below the 50 below the 21 below the 9, things are looking pretty good for the time being. Anything can change on any day of the week. So this is Manic Monday, guys, coming in with a bullish bias here without any question. It doesn't mean I wouldn't consider shorts under the right circumstances, but certainly leaning bullish based on this overall structure and, of course, the daily cascade. This is my trading grid, guys, the daily, the 30, and the 1-minute chart. You can see on the 30-minute chart, we have my czar zone, support and resistance, and as you can see, we are just below this turbo zone, guys, where we have two naked bodies, 1 and 2, there and there. So one large naked body, if you like, no offense. We have a turbo zone down below and down below and down below with some more naked bodies there, as you can see. But we have been in this range, guys, through London, as you can see, after an initial push-up this morning out of the gates when London first opened. The S&P is a very similar picture, as you can see, guys. There's that grind, there's the push up on London, sideways chop, and so on and so forth. And there's the 1-minute open range, guys, 43.5 points on the NASDAQ. S&P, about 8 points, 7.75 points. Nothing to do here, guys. Manic Monday. I will let a lot of candles print here before even considering a trade because it is Manic Monday. We've had a big move already here, guys, from that V bottom on Friday and this continuation gap move from Globex through Asia and through London. But we are pushing up out of the gates. Just going to drop down to the 30-second chart here, guys. Not sure I'll stay there too long, but just want to check out some detail here. The NASDAQ trying to push up a little bit here. S&P still inside the open range or back inside the open range. Nothing to do here, guys, on Manic Monday. Patience is the operative word. And trying to grind higher here a little bit. All of a sudden, the S&P has taken over the lead. And nothing to do, guys. Still 21 minutes left in this candle. It is pushing up here, guys, and it might go without me, and I'm okay with that here on Manic Monday. All right, guys, it's 9:49, almost 20 minutes into the session. Finally getting a little bit of a pullback here, but doesn't look like it's going to be much. I'd love to see this pull back to the 21 or even all the way to the open range for an opportunity, but I certainly won't be doing anything here in this fairly extended state given where we've come from. And finally, we're getting a bit of a pullback here, guys, but that seems a little deep to me. That's a shift bar, guys, to the downside. Could be accelerated selling. So I'm going to be super careful here. This candle still has 9 minutes and 10 seconds before it's closed. And still pulling back here a little bit, guys, but nothing much happening. Just move it up to the 1-minute chart here, guys. Pulled into the 21. Just bring it out a marker. Buy stop order, guys. Buy stop order right here. Decon move. Trend continuation, potentially. And I'm in, guys. I am in. Long the NASDAQ. And target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1-hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits, and the 2-hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1 hour. There we are, guys, back to the original stop. So the 2-hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has been stopped out at break even. It looks like we got some fresh selling coming in here, which might mean we're going to pull all the way back. Let's see. All right, guys, we're back. It's around 10:49 a.m. and you can see that we are pulling all the way back here. It looks like we're going to come all the way back to my original stop loss, in which case we will have a 1 hour win, a 1.5 hour win, a break even, and a 1 hour charge for the 2 hour all or nothing. That's if we get all the way down, and I think we're probably going to. Got some profit taking coming in here now. And there it is, guys. Thanks for joining me. Appreciate you. Nice way to start the week. Hope to see you again tomorrow for Twisted Tuesday and more fun and games. Have a great afternoon and evening, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care.